Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page for hashtag artisan journal prompt 2022 24. Oh my gosh, I said 2022. Hosted by Patti over at Life with Patti, and I'll have her link down below. She is challenging us on this open collaboration where she gives off prompts every Sunday morning. And during the week, we create with that prompt. This week's prompt is fabric, and we're on week 17. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you my page, and my book is getting kind of chunky now. And so this is my journal page, and I took some fabric from the Dollar Tree that I bought. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I bought a couple rolls of their fabric. These two were the ones that I really liked, these two here with the bicycle and the sunflower and the stripes. Really like those two. I added them together, and I added some lace to my page. And then I was digging around for something else to add. I was going to add some bling, but I decided not to. My pages are getting kind of thick, so I may have to double this page up. But anyway, I found some yo-yo flowers that my good friend Joyce gave me a long time ago, and I never knew what to do with them, and here I am using her yo-yo flowers. So thank you, Joyce, and that is my page for this week's prompt, fabric. So thank you, Patti, for a great prompt. I didn't know what I was going to do, but I have a ton of fabric, so it was just a matter of picking out what I wanted to use. And I just want to say that you don't have to buy expensive fabric, or Dollar Tree has so many crafty items. I didn't know I was going to use this until now. So what a great purchase. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.